ang position. Arriba number 6, 20 seconds shot clock. Shot clock is down to 15. Using the screen opportunity. Carrero fires a 3. Support. Carrero for 3. Dok ilagay sa kamay niya. Pastila na rin. 9 minutes and 35. 20 seconds shot ng 11. Pass to the midman. Dignas. Dignas left-handed layup. 2 points Dignas.
Wide ball.
5 minutes and 20 to play. 20 seconds shot clock by number 1. Shot clock is down to 15. Asidilia. Pass to the midman number 23. Fires a 3. In and out. Ating rebound ng Lapin Nibis. 20 seconds shot clock. 9 minutes and 5. Shot clock is down to 15. Inside pass. Vincent Paul giving point number 17 Bolo. Bolo winning for foul out. Eight minutes and 55 to play. 20 seconds shot clock 26. Shot clock is down to 15. 8 minutes and 45 remaining. Shot clock is down to 10. Carrero. There's also foul. There's also foul given by number 17 Bolo. Fouled out Bolo, number 17. First racing number 26 Carrero. Pinoy official. Dok, palayaw ko eh. Di lagi makita.
66-67.
Palayaw po. 49 against 67. Official score. 8 minutes and 40 to play. 20 seconds shot clock number 11. Pass Rigas. Shot clock is down to 10. 2 points Rigas. 8 minutes and 15 to play. 20 seconds shot clock number 26. Shot clock is down to 15. 8 minutes and 5 remaining. Here comes Carrero. Carrero open layup. 2 points Carrero. 8 minutes and 55 to play. Shot clock is down. Shot clock is down to 15. Number 61. 7 minutes and 45. Dignos shot clock is down to 10. Guarded by Asidilia. Dignos number 61. Shot clock is down to 5. 7 minutes and 35. Ball up J. 2 points. Upson. 7 minutes and 25 remaining. Shot clock is down to 15. Carrero. Shot clock is down to 10. Asidilia number 1. He got past the midline. Ball up J. 2 points. I'm out given by Chris Mitchell. Hey, back to the ball game. Shot clock is down to 15. Inside pass of Sun. There's also foul committed by number 8, pushing foul, Asidilia. Second personal foul, first team foul. Number 31. Shot clock is down to 12, 6 minutes and 58. Shot clock is down again. Six minutes and 50 to play. Shot clock is down to 10. Number 11, Ives. Running shot up and under Ives. Put back by Ives. 2 points Ives. 6 minutes and 25. 20 seconds shot clock, number 6 Carrido. Shot clock is down to 15. Ives.
Wala, official. 73. Wala, 73,
20 seconds shot clock, 73 against 53. 6 minutes to play. Shot clock is down to 15. Goes on number 12. Shot clock is down to 10. Ups on, fires a 3. Too strong. Habig naman may naman tindi pass number 1. Goes pass number 1. Enter sa number 12. Pass number 11. 5 minutes and 40 to play. Evis number 11. Guarded by Sevilla. Here comes Evis. This is about 2 points Evis. Five minutes and 35 to play. 20 seconds shot clock by number 8. Pass to number 23. Shot clock is down to 15. Back to number 8. Guarded by Guzan. Free throw line pull up by number 8. 2 points number 8. 5 minutes and 20 remaining. 20 seconds shot clock by number 1. Upson. Guarded by number 8. Pass to Dignos. Shot clock is down to 15. Dignos guarded by number 1. Baseline pull up. Pass. Ball goes number 20. Lead pass number 31. Ball goes out of bounds. Substation for Team Minan. Out to Cecilia. In number 13. It's only 5 minutes, 20 seconds shot clock by Carrido. Shot clock is down to 15. Pass number 13. 5 to 3. Look it again. Ball goes out of bounds. 4 minutes and 50 to play. 20 seconds shot clock by number 11 Neves. Guarded by Carrido. Shot clock is down to 15. Here comes Carrido, top by number 6. And receive number 20, pass to number 8. Here comes number 8, spin up and under. Chris also foul. The whistle personal foul committed by number 18, Barba. Second personal foul, Barba. 3 teams foul.
Diyos, ratay na buwan.
First one seen by number 8. Second road jumpers reading. One out of 2. Lead pass number 61. 4 minutes and 25 remaining. 20 seconds shot clock. Shot clock is down to 15. Upson number 21, guarded by Gonzalez. Upson, ball James. Ball back by number 20. And 11, 2 points of 11. 4 minutes and 20 to play. Carrido. And there's a betting loss. 20 seconds shot clock by number 61. Foul station A number 77. only 4 minutes. All goes at the bounce by number 11 Davis. He's only 4 minutes to play. Number 8. Pass number 7. Number 13. Fires a 3. Nugget again. Number 31. There's also foul. Was a personal foul committed by number 13. Number 13 committed 3 personal foul. 2 teams foul. Hinanangan. This guy shot number 11. 3 minutes and 40 to play. Shot clock is down to 15. Shot clock is down to 10. Dig does. Shot clock is down to 6. Shot clock is down to 5. Dig does fall up. Too strong again. 3 minutes and 20 to play for the fourth and final quarter. 20 seconds shot clock Carredo. Carredo fires a 3. Too strong again. 3-1 to the 1 pass to the Son. Right in Emerson Sawan. Barba to the Son. Shot clock is down 15. 3 minutes and 5 remaining. Shot clock is down to 10. The Son fires a 3. Put back by Barba. 2 points Barba. 4 minutes and 15 to play. 20 seconds shot clock number 13. Number 13 open layup. 2 points number 13. Number 21 Buson. Bounce pass number 31. Tom number 11. 2 points number 11. Timeout given by Team Hinanangan. Official score. Payback trouble game. Remaining time 2 minutes and 36 remaining. Official score 58 against 81.
Na, basod lang. Coach, lima, coach. Kaya yan eh.
2 minutes and 30 to play. Fires a 3 short. Ball goes from 31 at Son. 20 seconds shot number 13. Pass to Son. 2 minutes and 15 remaining. Shot clock is down 15. Shot clock is down to 10. Fires a 3 minutes 25. Shot clock is down to 5. Last 2 minutes. Inside bounce number 13, 1 minute and 55 remaining. Number 13, fires a 3, bang away 13.
Sambay.
1 minute and 45, 20 seconds shot clock.
Amo, tayo doon po.
Shot clock is down to 15, 1 minute and 35 remaining. Shot clock is down to 10. Inside pass, back to number 18. To number 11, shot clock is down to 5. There's a whistle foul. Was a personal foul committed number 17. Substitution. Out Barba in Banyas.
61 na score. 61. 81.
Race trains out by 11. Step on the line. One minute and 85 to play. 20 seconds left by number 13. He got fouls number 24. Shot clock is down 15. There's the handle recover. Please line pull up. Pass again. Under the basket match, Roman goes to Benyas Luzon. Last 1 minute and 5:20 seconds shot clock. Exactly 1 minute shot clock is down to 15. Focus of the balls, final at home, Luzon. Last 55 seconds. Number 24, 5 to 3, too strong run. Last 50 seconds remaining. 20 seconds shot clock by number 31. And the fourth and final quarter for the third placer goes to team Chris Mitchell Bolags.